Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be playing Prodigy English for the first time, and it's out for everyone. Before we make the video, or before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of May, so please subscribe. So we do not have a class code, so we are going to press next. Choose your look. Skin, I guess we'll do this. Okay, hair. This is gonna take a while to make. So I guess we'll do that. This already doesn't look good. Let's do blue eyes, eyebrows. You can't tell anything with the eyebrows. Nose. I think we'll go with the last one. No, that looks weird. We'll go with this one and then mouth. Why are they all smiles? And then other. So we're just gonna do this, and then let's do next. Choose your outfit. Let's do blue. Let's see what purple looks like. Okay, we'll do blue. We want short. Yeah, so, yeah, let's just do some yellow. Long, what's that look like? No, we're doing short. And then accessories. No. So I think these are all going to be glasses. We're not going to do any glasses. And done. So we are going to load the game and let's see what this is like. Okay, so we are loading in. This is going to take a while, I'm guessing. So it says, I can't believe it, I won my very own village. So we will press this, and then it says click and tap to move your character. Wow, this place is huge. Okay, so we gotta go down here, I'm guessing, and there's a coin. This place is going to need a lot of work to turn it around. Wish I had some help. What's this? It looks like a strange coin. I should pick it up. Okay, so yeah, we'll pick it up. I don't like this game already, so I wish I'm done. I could use all the help I can get. I wish to make this place the best it can be. So is this a wishing well? Okay, there's like this unicorn thing. Okay. Oh wow, do you know how long I've been waiting for someone to toss that in? Anyways, what matters is you're here. It's so nice to meet you. I heard this wish about cleaning up this place. We're going to need a lot more coins. You are probably wondering what I am. I'm a wishy. Ever wonder what makes a plain old well a wishing well? That would be me. So you're looking to liven up the place, I think I can help you out with that. First things first, we're going to need some materials. You should gather some wood. Wait, you didn't bring any tools? That's okay, you can have my old ones. Okay, so we got an axe. Next, a shovel and pickaxe. Okay, so okay. I don't like this game. You don't have enough energy, but you can get some more. The more energy you have, the more stuff you can do. So we're gonna have to answer English questions to get energy, I'm guessing. Why is the game lagging so much? So, for some reason, something is broken. We are working to fix it. Try again later. Back to game. Yeah, I literally can't do anything though. Choose a correct coordinating junction to fill in. Daphne went to a carnival and she won a prize. Okay. Winston would take the bus to a friend's house so he could ride his bike. Or he could ride his bike. Okay, we are going to answer a few more of these. So we have about halfway, or a quarter of the way energy. We are going to cut down some more trees. That should be it. Now collect 3 more pieces of wood and come to me. Okay. Let's keep doing this. Great job. Now bring those materials back to me. Okay, so you can get some extra wood. I don't really like this game, but we will bring it back to this thing. Now to make something with all that wood, you'll need a recipe. Just so happens I've got one right here. Okay, so we got a recipe. Let's go into our backpack that looks like a Pokeball. And press this learn. X. Tools. Okay. Craft. Crafted a table. X. Nice. Now let's learn how to decorate with it. Open your backpack to place it in the village. Okay. Place. So then you just... There. Great job, now you're decorating. Done. This is how you can move, add, or remove items you put down. For now, let's leave this item here. Don't worry, you can move it later. Now, if you're really going to transform this place, why not make it rewarding? Check out our goals list I've set up for you. Every day I'll give you 5 new daily goals, which we aren't going to care about. Lifetime, okay, I don't care. There's plenty to do and see in the village. We should visit the general store. Okay, we're not going to do that, cause, Prodigy English seems pretty bad. I'm definitely not going to do this on my channel, but if you actually do, I may make a few more videos, who knows. So if you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. But that is going to end up the video, so bye.